Hello Fit Trippers. Today I have something really exciting for you all because you know that like something, when I do something new, it excites me, and I'm introducing jungle treks level hard, people who are in a certain level of fitness, who could enjoy this. We are going to a mountain which is above 2,500 above sea level, and through the jungle, and I love this chase and understanding the mystery of it because I have no clue what is in store for me on this, right? So some of my friends suggested this, and we're going to meet up in a cafe, and then after that we are heading towards this mountain, and then we'll start climbing. I reckon this would take 6 hours, probably 4 hours to climb up, and probably another 2 to 3 hours coming back down. So I don't know. Let's find out. Let's see something new, and I'm sure that this would be a very new and absolutely tough one for the Fit Trippers. I can't wait to do this. Jesse is the one who actually came up with this idea. Thanks, Jesse.
You just have to find the trail.
Yeah, let's do it.
Relying on me.
Yes. You're my tour guide today.
Okay.
Similar to what I did the other day at the jungle trek. Slippery. Need to be really careful, but you have nature support as well. We all are separated from each other. Jesse and Davis are in front, others are behind. It's one of the toughest that I've climbed so far in Bali. It's nice, it's wet. I wonder how this terrain will be when it's raining. It'll be really tough and challenging. But amazing. Excited. Way far to go. by far the toughest in Bali. Oh fuck it, this is really jungle apocalypto. Be ready for it. If anybody wants to do this with me, be ready for it.
You keep going, oh okay, here it comes, here's the peak. Oh no, we're going down again. Oh, but now for sure. Oh no, and now we'll go off the ridge and we'll go back down.
There's sometimes like I abuse myself, like going, fuck you.
I kept, after an hour of having these expectations, I just kept going, okay, no more expectations. It'll come when it comes. It's a big practical joke.
Yeah. We're gonna go down now. Let's do this. See you guys when you get back. On your bum?
That. I don't know, I slid on my ass a lot, that's for sure, on the way down. It was longer than I thought, much longer than I thought, but great. It was really good to get the top and good to hang out with you guys. Enjoyed it.
It was fun, bro.
Yeah, it was amazing. Great crew. Great to get out in the nature, just what I needed. Perfect remedy.
Yeah, it was great. Really enjoyed it. Fucking intense. More intense than I thought it would be, but yeah, good fun. Nice to be in the jungle. Nice to be in the nature, just breathing. Good fun, good company.
This is something I will always remember. Amazing company, like all of you, these guys just made it happen. Amazing. This is a beginning for another one. I definitely felt my lower body. Like I need to be more fit.
These ones.
This one was a sexy one. Amazing. Yeah. Thank you.